With all the variations and additives found in today's fuel and oil, it's crucial that you select the correct hose and fittings to help avoid premature breakdown and eliminate any safety issues. Knowing which plumbing products are right for your scenario can be a big headache. Earl wants to help you, so we came up with our plumbing selector. It's a handy tool to help you determine the best plumbing choices for your particular needs. You start by selecting the type of fluid that the system you're plumbing is going to contain. We have options for oils, coolants, transmission fluid, brake fluids, pump gas, race fuels, alcohol and methanol, even E85 and biodiesel. Once you've selected your fluid type, you can choose the assembly method that you prefer. Keep in mind, certain systems require specific assembly methods, so not all the options may be available depending on which fluid type you chose. Once the fluid type and assembly method have been selected, simply click the See Results tab and the selector will generate a list of all the possible products that you can use for your particular scenario. A list of recommended products will be displayed with the most compatible products listed at the top. We use a basic grading system, with 5 stars being the best choice and 4 or 3-star options listed below them. Click on the hose type and it will redirect you to the product page where you can select the appropriate length and hose diameter that your build requires. Don't forget to add it to your cart. Once you've selected the hose type that best suits your needs, simply look to the right and you'll find the hose ends that are compatible with your hose type. Click on the picture and you'll be able to select the hose end size, degree of bend, and finish of your choice. You'll also be able to see our how-to videos and view the installation instructions for each product. With Earl's easy-to-use plumbing selector, there's no more excuses for not getting your project completed. So what are you waiting for? Get on over to earls.com and order yours today.